Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Gusto Payroll and HR review my usage experience. Gusto Payroll and HR offers payroll and HR services for small and medium-sized businesses. Its main purpose is to simplify payroll processing, benefits administration, and HR tasks. Key features include payroll calculation and disbursement, employee onboarding, benefits management, and compliance tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Gusto positions itself as a user-friendly and all-in-one solution for managing employee HR and payroll. They emphasize ease of use and transparency in pricing. Their website highlights a lack of hidden fees and offers various pricing tiers depending on your needs. The service uses a cloud-based platform for accessibility and reliability. Availability is nationwide, and you can check their website for eligibility details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Gusto Payroll and HR. Setting up my account was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through each step, and I was able to input all my employee information efficiently. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays key metrics like upcoming payroll dates and employee information. I especially appreciated the automated tax calculations. It saved me a ton of time and potential errors. The process of running payroll was seamless. It took only a few clicks, and the funds were transferred to my employees promptly. I had a quick question about setting up direct deposit for a new employee, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email with a helpful and detailed explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting features that make compliance a breeze. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for quick access on the go, and it took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for benefits administration. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Gusto. It significantly streamlined my payroll and HR processes, saving me valuable time and reducing my administrative workload. That's my overview of Gusto Payroll and HR my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.